I'm going to be giving you a haul of everything I just got at Texas Thrift. We're in the parking lot still, but I'm going to show y'all everything that I got. Everything that I got was for my daughter. She is 17, almost 18 months old, and my girl is getting bigger. She's going through a growth spurt, and it's very warm now in San Antonio. Damn near summer. We're like 80 to 90 degrees every single day. Daycare also said that most of her clothes, like her replacement stuff, was winter clothes, so I needed to replace it. Looked in her closet and realized like most of it is winter clothes. So I got a few new things from Walmart and Ross over the past couple of weeks, some really cute items. But for the rest, I like to go to the thrift store because you can find really cute brand name stuff, and also they grow out of stuff so freaking fast that it just makes the most sense. So here's my haul of everything that I got for my baby as far as clothes. And I almost cried at the size of some of the shorts. Like, I literally almost cried. These are 2T little black shorts. I got her this little 24-month onesie, a Tupac shirt. They always put the cute Disney stuff in the boys section and the cute like graphic tees, so both of these were from the boys section. A little Toy Story, little romper, how cute. This, because she has a bunch of shorts from the Walmart stuff, that'll go with this, like interchangeable. This would be perfect. She's drinking her water. She said, ah. I got her these 24-month shorts, little jean shorts. These are like 3T. I could literally cry. I think these are 2 or 3T as well. Cute little shorts. These I figured I could throw in her daycare stash. They're like 2T, but they're little plain shorts. A cute sparkly Puma t-shirt. How cute is that? This, it says, I think something about your cherry cute. It's a 2T t-shirt. Might be a little big, but it's cute. This was also in the boys section. Always the graphic cute stuff is in the boys. A little Toy Story shirt. A little mini shirt. And then this little romper. Little sun romper thingy. Those are so easy. These really cute shorts. They look like Lulu, but for kids. These little Nike shorts. Let's see. Got her a little plain gray tee. And this is really cute. This is actually 18 months, but it fit. I tried it on her. A little mini squirt. How cute.